Hi everyone out there, welcome back. In this clip, we want to continue with our routing in Laravel. So the next one we want to look at now is view method. So to work on the view method, all we need to do is to have our route column view. Then the view method accepts three arguments, and then we have a two that are compulsory. Then the third one is optional. So the first one is for URI. So let's say we have our service, for instance, the service, then followed by the view name. So we have a, let's say, service also. And if we should try to reload and come to where here and just paste this here, since I've not admitted the code. So if I should come and reload again, okay. So let's have our service here. You can see this is our service. So exactly what we have inside the service dot plate.php file. Let me go there and try to open service dot plate.php. You can see what we have here. So the third argument, if I should come back here and to our web.php file, so I can easily pass the third argument. Let's say for instance I have this array, then the third argument, so this is an array. Then let's say we want to have a, for instance, instead of having this is our service page, let me remove this aspect, for instance, and here let me say page. Then we have a, let's say this is a string there. So if I should reload, okay, before that let me try to remove this. Oh sorry, this should be here. Sorry for the mistake. If I should remove this, I try to reload, you can see this is our, but if I should now try to paste everything back and reload again, and here now in our play.php, then I have this, then $, h should now reload it. You can see this is our service. So that's how to use a view method for our routes. So the next one we want to work on now is dynamic segment. So before that, let me create a new file here. Let me call it profile public public.php. Right. So we've created that. So inside our web.php file, then the next, let me try to remove this one first. So let me remove this. Let me decide this commit. Okay. Now to do that, all I need to do is to write our route column get. Then the name of our file is profile. Then let's say we want to get the ID of the user, or let's say we want to get the name of the profile. So what we can do, we just have a curly brace here, and then put the name here, for instance, followed by our cover function. Then we put, let's say, dollar ID, no, dollar name, sorry, name. Then I'll say return dollar ID. If we should terminate everything like that, then it should now go to profile. Then instead of service here, let me have a profile here. Okay, let me restart. Then let me reload again. Okay, 404. So if I should now put, for instance, let's say Felix here. Oh, it should be dollar name. Sorry, dollar name. Okay, you can see Felix here. So if we put James here. James, have James about dynamic segment. So if we, for instance, let's say we have another one. After this, we have for instance, let's say we have a edit, then followed by the ID. So let's say we have the ID as this, and that's another parameter here. Let's say dollar ID. Done this, we have the concatenation, then concatenate this also. Here, have dollar ID. So if we come here, see John slash edit slash 1 2, you can see John 12. So that's how to define multiple route parameters. So that's it. If you like the content I'm creating and you would like to see more of it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next clip.